So if you're looking to starting a perfume business this year 2024, then this video is for you. So this is like an updated video of how to start a perfume business. Last video I made concerning this has gotten a lot of questions, and that is why I'm doing this video. I will just dive right into it. A lot of people want to go into perfume business either as a side hustle or as a main hustle, right? The first thing I would say is people are too quick to want to make fast money. A lot of people have reached out to me. I need a supplier, I want to go into perfume business. What baffles me is for these people that reach out to me to tell me they need my contact, they need me to help them with a supplier contact. When I ask them what type of perfumes you want to sell, you hear them say all kinds. I want to sell perfumes, body spray, body mist, perfume oil, room freshener, car freshener. They want to sell all kinds of perfumes. And then I'm like, okay, so what's your budget? And you're hearing 20k, 10k, 15k, 25k. And I'm like, are you being serious? You want to sell all kinds of perfumes and your budget is 20,000 naira. I struggled during my own time when I started selling perfumes. I started selling perfumes in 2020. During my time, I struggled a lot. I did a lot of trial and error. I lost money. I did a lot. Okay, so I would not want you to experience such, especially if you're a young person, you're just trying to make ends meet. The small one you have, you're losing it. If you want to start a perfume business, don't start all at once. You want to sell perfume. If you have the budget to open a store and have all these things in your physical store, that is understandable. But you are just starting up and you have tight budget, you have limited budget, you have small budget to start. Don't use your money to start to buy everything, because it will be difficult to sell out and reinvest your money. If you have 25k and you buy this, you buy a little of everything, it will be difficult for you to sell all of the things you have bought to be able to buy another set of products. What am I trying to say? I'm saying if you have a tight budget and you're looking to start small. Start small. It does not matter where you're starting from. It does not matter if you're starting from the house. Start small. You can start small with your 25k or your 50k. You can start with body mists. Body mist. What did I say? I said body mist. I did not say perfumes. I said body mist, because even people who have perfumes, hundreds of perfumes, they still need body mists, body spray before they use their perfumes. So for body mist, they are not looking, this one is affordable, this one is expensive. To a lot of people, body mist is body mist, body spray is body spray. It just now depends where you buy that will determine the price. You know how where you buy things determine the price tag of the thing? Take for instance, if you buy a bottle of water on the street, you can buy it for like 100 bucks, like 100 naira. Then you buy the same bottle of water in a supermarket, you can buy it for like 250 naira. You buy that same bottle of water in a fast food, you can buy it for 500 naira. That same bottle of water, you now buy it in a 5-star restaurant. You buy that same bottle of water for 2,000 naira, 2,500 naira. So you see, it depends where you are buying from. Don't use all your money to buy everything at once. you will not be able to recover your money back. You will not be able to recover your money back. So if it's small budget you have, buy small. Buy small. There is this other mistake that a lot of newbies make. People who want to start, selling perfumes. You are just starting. You don't even know the terrain yet. You don't even understand the business yet. And you're carrying all your money to throw into the business. You're carrying all your money to order goods abroad. You don't even know what you're doing. You're looking for abroad contacts that you want to order for. Are you playing? You are playing now. You are playing. Don't be doing that thing. Don't do that. If you want to start a business, look for somebody who has already started that business that you want to start. You want to sell perfume, look for somebody who is already selling that perfume you want to sell. Look for the person, partner with the person, talk to the person, let the person teach you. But these days people have this I can do it syndrome, I can do it sickness, I can do it all by myself sickness. Who says you must do it when you have other people who have done it? Other people who have done it that will make your job easier. Why do you want to now stress yourself and go through it and lost your money and lost your time and lost a lot of things because you can do it all by yourself? Look for someone who is already doing the business. Partner with the person. Let the person teach you. Even though I know that in this online space, nobody will want to spoon feed anybody. But there are still some good people that will still spoon feed you if you come and tell them that this is what I need. This is what I need you to teach me. They will teach you. Some will ask you to pay. Some will ask you to pay a token. But a token should be something you should be able to pay to invest in yourself. We young people, we are too scared to invest money in ourselves. But when it's time for us to bring out money and buy 350-degree frontal wig, we'll buy. When it's time for us to buy one raining bag, one bag that is trending, we'll buy. But when it's time for us to invest money on us, something that would uplift us, something that would open doors for more money, we are too scared to invest. But we can invest in something that is a liability. But we don't want to invest in something that will give us a return in the long run. That is the problem. Invest in yourself. That is the best investment, because everywhere you go, what you carry inside is inside. Everywhere you go, whatever it is you have invested in yourself is in yourself, is in you. Nobody can take it away. If you buy anything, if you go anywhere, you will leave that thing behind. But once you invest it inside yourself, once you invest it in knowledge, everywhere you go, you know that thing is, you know it. So meet up with people and tell them to teach you. People who are already doing the business, meet them to teach you. Don't be scared. Don't be scared to invest in yourself. Something that will make you returns in the long run. Don't be scared. If you are coming to me to tell me that you want me to push you through, please make sure you are serious. Don't come and waste my time. Don't come and tell me, and after talking to you, after bringing out time to talk to you because you came from YouTube. So anybody that comes from YouTube to me and say, okay, I have this soft spot, okay, because I have this soft spot for my viewers and subscribers from YouTube, you will now come to me, I will now bring out my time, and you will now appear that you are not serious. It breaks my heart. If you contact me and you're not serious, I will not respond to you if you come again. If you are interested on how to start a perfume business from scratch, from 5 bottles of perfumes, if you have like you have like 50,000 and you want to start selling with 5 bottles of perfumes, I am going to answer all the questions. I'm going to teach you. If you have any question, I will not just sell this course to you. I will sell this course to you and I will be open for 1 month. You can send me a message on WhatsApp anytime and I will answer all your questions. If you're interested, send me a message. I will leave my Instagram handle in the description box. I will leave this course at a discounted price of 10k. It was formerly 30k, but I will leave it for you guys for 10k. So if you're interested, hit me up and let's start 2024 in a good note, in an amazing note. I want you to smell good. At the same time, I also want you to make some money for yourself, especially if you're a mom, if you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a student, if you're a worker that is looking for something on the side. If you want to be selling perfumes to your co-workers in the office, hit me up. This will be the best decision of your life. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I will see you in my next video. My name is Gloria. I will catch you in the next video.